By the way, if anyone wonders why I'm down here at the property line talking quietly, a fox that I was working diligently to coexist with has been missing since I heard a gunshot over this way. And the neighbor has killed a fox, which would be completely out of bounds for native customs and cultures in this area. And I guess you could say it would be illegal to shoot a fox and waste it for no reason. So I'm very concerned and trying to see if there's a carcass over here. Because if there is, I have him nailed and he's gonna pay for this. But if I can't see anything, I'm gonna be leaving a piece of chicken on the stump where I usually leave it as an offering for this fox family to feed itself and leave my animals alone. And if she doesn't show up on camera, we've got a problem.